If your 2005 Silverado won't crank or your accessories are acting up, the ignition switch is the likely culprit. Statistics show that 80% of electrical no-start issues in this generation are caused by a worn ignition switch. Before touching any wiring, always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent accidental shorts or airbag deployment. Start by removing the steering column trim, then locate the ignition switch module beneath the lock cylinder and release the locking tabs. You will only need a 7mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic pry tool to complete this job. Doing this yourself saves significant money on labor and avoids the hassle of towing your truck to a shop. As you can see, the part costs are minimal compared to the hourly labor rates charged by professional mechanics. Always inspect the wiring harness connector for any signs of heat damage before installing the new switch. Remember, never force the new switch into place. It should click firmly into the housing when seated correctly. Reconnect your battery and test the ignition. Thanks for watching and stay safe on the road.